New updates, new updates, new updates. Don't skip this video because I know you need this update I'm about to share with you. Please be patient with me. What's up everyone, my name is the Smart Chef and I'm here once again to share updates with you. As usual on this channel, I share updates, good information with you guys all the time for you to guide you through so to avoid mistakes and all of that. So today's topic, we'll be talking about phone and SIM card contract with telecommunications companies in Germany. What do I mean by a phone and SIM card contract? There are there are contracts whereby a telecommunications company, like for instance, we have a lot of telecommunications companies in Germany. We have Leica, we have O2, we have T-Mobile, we have Vodafone. So all these telecommunications companies in Germany, they offer services basically that has to do with phone, making calls and all of that, as you know. So the things we're about to talk about them today is how you should be careful with the kind of contract you sign with them. Over the years, the contract you can sign with them changes from time to time depending on what you want. For instance, you might want to sign a data contract. You might go to a telecommunications shop. Let's take for instance, you go to O2 shop. You said you want a SIM card contract. Then maybe they'll tell you, okay, every month we'll be giving you 10 gig of data and you are going to be paying maybe 15 euro thereabout or whatever. So you sign the contract and that one is just based on the SIM card alone, and they will tell you the do's and the don'ts that you don't have to use the SIM card for. Maybe they'll tell you don't have to make calls outside of Germany. Some will tell you you don't have to make calls to any number that is not O2 number, which is the telecommunication service provider that you are using. If you make any calls to other companies or any other line that is not their line, they are going to charge you extra for it. Some of these companies will tell you these things vividly. They will explain to you, but sometimes the language barrier might make you not to understand what they are explaining to you, especially when you are a foreigner. So you go ahead to sign the contract and you start using that SIM card. As you are using that SIM card, you can make call to anywhere, but they have warned you that this is your limit of making calls. Okay, we are giving you 10 gig of data, or you can make calls to some German numbers or